Are you looking to pay remote workers in different countries with ease? Deel makes the process simple and streamlined, especially for businesses managing a global workforce. Stick around because I'm going to walk you through how Deel helps you pay remote workers around the world without the headaches of international payroll or compliance. And best of all, you can use it completely free with our exclusive bonuses through the first link in the description below. First things first, Deel is a platform designed to help you hire, onboard, and pay remote workers in over 150 countries. Whether you're working with contractors or full-time employees, Deel offers a smooth, secure, and compliant way to handle payments across borders. If you're new to Deel, you're in for a treat because this platform has made it incredibly easy for businesses of all sizes to manage international payroll without needing a deep understanding of local tax laws or banking systems. Now, let's break it down. When you're ready to pay your remote workers, Deel gives you the option to pay them in their local currency. You don't have to worry about conversions or complicated exchange rates. Deel handles all of that. With Deel's built-in payment system, workers get paid quickly, and you get the confidence that everything is legally compliant, no matter where they're located. The process of paying remote workers with Deel is straightforward. After you've hired your worker, you'll set up their profile in Deel's system. From there, you can choose their payment preferences, whether it's bank transfer, PayPal, or even crypto in some cases, and Deel ensures everything goes smoothly. The real advantage is how Deel takes care of the local regulations and compliance for you. No matter where your workers are located, Deel's platform handles tax filings, contracts, and other legalities that you might not be familiar with. This means you can scale your business globally without worrying about getting stuck in the complexities of international labor laws. Another huge benefit of Deel is the flexibility it offers in how you manage workers. Whether it's a contractor with a single project or a full-time employee, Deel gives you the tools to keep things organized. You can easily issue contracts, track hours worked, and even offer benefits, all through one seamless platform. And if you need to make adjustments, everything can be done in just a few clicks. One of the things that sets Deel apart is its ability to integrate with your existing tools. If you're using accounting software or project management systems, Deel can integrate with them, making the entire payroll and HR process even more efficient. This means you won't have to deal with transferring data across platforms or worrying about syncing different systems. Now here's the kicker. Deel also gives you access to a network of expert HR professionals who can provide you with tailored advice on hiring and managing remote teams in specific countries. So not only are you getting the best software to handle payroll, but you're also tapping into valuable resources that can help your business grow in international markets. Before we wrap up, remember that Deel is offering a completely free trial, and by clicking the first link below, you can access an exclusive extended trial. Whether you're hiring your first remote worker or looking to expand your team internationally, Deel gives you the power to make global hiring and payments as simple as it should be. So if you're ready to take the complexity out of paying remote workers across different countries, Deel is the way to go. Don't forget to check the link below for that exclusive offer and start simplifying your international payroll today.